Is a short tutorial on how to copy the social media content plan from my Google Sheet. So when you scroll down to this link right here, you can click on the social media content plan. It'll open up my professional social media content calendar. One of the things I want to first show you is the cells that have the little yellow triangles in them. When you hover over them, I have left comments on there to help explain what that is. It'll help you identify better what I'm wanting in those things. There's not one on every single one of them because some of them are self-explanatory. So in order to download this plan, instead of going up here to Safari or Google, just go to this one here within the sheet itself. So you'll click on File within the Google Sheet, and then you'll click on Make a Copy. From there, in order to save the comments I just talked about, you'll want to click on this Copy Comments. You can name it right here, something to your own. So if I were you, I would just put on your own name, so that I can identify it better as I'm grading it, and then just make a copy. Now that I made a copy of this, you're going to have to share it back to me. So when you submit these, you'll submit the URL of this, and so you'll click on that, make a copy of that, and submit this in the assignment. But in order for me to have access to your social media plan, you're going to need to click on Share, and then enter my email address right there, and then save that. That'll give me access to your Google Sheet. I like working in Google Sheets because it gives us dynamic interaction where we can both work on it together if needed. So hopefully that helps jumpstart you into the rest of this semester.